Hello and welcome to our video series on cPanel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the PHP Nuke CMS, or Content Management System. Now remember, as you're watching this video, you can always use the pause and rewind buttons below the screen to watch and rewatch this video until you have this task mastered. So let's get right to it. First, let's log into cPanel. That'll bring us to this page. Now we want to hunt up our Fantastico link, which is down about the bottom of the page. Kind of a blue smiley face looking icon. Yours might also say Fantastico Deluxe. Here we are. Now go ahead and click on the Fantastico icon. Now this is going to bring us to this page. A whole bunch of goodies on this page. Now we want, on the left hand side, we want the group that says Content Management. Then we want to look for the link that says PHP Nuke. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate us to the install page. Here we are. Now we want to click on the new installation link. Now here we want to enter the name of the directory where you want to install PHP Nuke. Now if you leave it blank, then it's just going to be installed on your main domain. And here you want to enter the username for the admin account. This stuff's fairly important to remember, so if your memory's like mine, you might want to write it down somewhere and put it in a safe place. And here you want to enter the password for the admin account. And you can see there's really not a whole lot to work with here to get this installed. Now the next, we want to enter the site's slogan. And if you have a proposed start date you want your site to begin on, you can go ahead and put that date here. And here is where we put the admin email address. And in this box, we want to show how many stories you want to display on the main page. And it's defaulting at 10. You can leave it at 10. You can always change it later if you want. And the next box down here shows how many stories to display on the old articles box. And again, the default on this is 10. Here you can enter the text you want to display at the bottom of every page, kind of like a footer. You know, copyright information, your address, whatever you want to put on there. And you want to activate Ultra Mode Plain Text File. Your choices are pretty simple, yes or no. Now you can enter the title for the Ultra Mode backend. And here, do you want to send the news stories to the admin account? Again, not many choices, yes or no. And here you can select the language in which PHP Nuke should be installed. And I notice there's nothing in there for Pig Latin, so I had to settle for English. And do you want to activate multilingual features? Yes or no? It's kind of like that Babelfish thing from Alta Vista. It's pretty neat, really. And here, do you want to show the flag for the language menu? Yes or no? And you want to allow unregistered users to post comments. Once again, got a 50-50 shot here. Yes or no? And here, once you're happy with all of your entries, you just click here to continue the installation process. We're on the downhill slope, almost finished. Now then, you click the Finish Installation button here. And here, you can click on this link to check whether PHP Nuke is installed properly. And like your password and username, you might want to go ahead and jot this down too and keep it in a safe place. And if we did everything right, then this page should show up. And voila, this shows that PHP Nuke is installed properly. Boy, that's a pretty looking page. And of course, it's fairly customizable too. Now then, let's go ahead and try something. Let's close this window. One more thing I want to show you. Let's click here to go back to the PHP Nuke overview page. And right here, this shows that PHP Nuke is running on the system right now. Whereas when we first started, it said none. Now, if you want to nix this or get rid of this or basically start from scratch, just click here on the Remove link to delete the entire program we just installed. Now, as a safety measure, you've got one more option here to click to make sure it's uninstalled. So if you're sure you want to get rid of it, then click here to uninstall. Now then, let's click here to go back to the overview. And just like it was in the beginning, this here says none. This is basically telling that PHP Nuke is not running on your system. And that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. It's a pretty neat little system we got going here. And we hope you found this video informative and that you'll be a little more confident the next time that you open up your cPanel control panel. Thanks again for watching this video. And oh yeah, for a wide variety of these training videos and a constantly growing selection, be sure to visit our sponsors. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.